trademark dabang style, Salman Khan is also famed for his unique dancing moves. Apart from cameo dance appearances, he's all set to groove in his new item number in Ajay Devgan's upcoming Next, Son of Sardar. Reports suggest that although Salman has shot one of the scenes, the entire song will be done by July end. Sometime back, rumors were rife that as a bid to his friendship with Ajay, Salman will not charge even a single penny to perform on the peppy number. But that's another kind of gesture coming from the Dabang Khan. This item song will put him on par with the other Khans, as Shah Rukh sizzled in an item number in Kaal and Amir in Delhi Belly. So who do you think will steal the show as Bollywood's best item boy? This is Kritika Korat for Rajshri.com.